Do you want to know how to set up text replacement on a brand new iPhone? I can show you how. Stay tuned. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place. Text replacement is the feature that allows you to set up keyboard shortcuts so you can type faster. I have another video on this topic, however I'm updating it because I've discovered some new information. To see that video, tap or click on the YouTube card on screen right now. That information is that the keyboard shortcuts you set up using text replacement are not dependent on the phone that you have. When I got my new phone and signed in with my Apple ID, I noticed that some of my keyboard shortcuts were already transferred to my new phone. This is because they're saved with your Apple ID. Let's jump over to my new iPhone so I can show you how to set up text replacement. Open the Settings app, scroll down and find General. Tap General and then scroll down and tap Keyboard. I want to set up a shortcut for the phrase I don't know. Tap Text Replacement. Here you can see all the shortcuts I already have set up. Tap the plus sign in the upper right hand corner. Type I don't know in the phrase field. Take your time to go back and make sure it's typed properly. When you're done, move to the shortcut box and type the letters IDK. Then tap Save in the upper right corner. Open Messages. Select the conversation and type the letters IDK into the message field as shown. Then tap the spacebar. Next, send the message. As you can see, I don't know was sent. The shortcuts you set up are saved with your Apple ID, not with the individual device you're on. Here's my iPad. Let's go into Settings and Text Replacement, and here you can see I don't know is saved here. When I originally set up this shortcut, it was on my phone. Any shortcut you program will appear on any device associated with your Apple ID.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them and we'll see you in the next one.